And they do. Long ball. Centrally played but well defended by Slandanong 2, who scored in that 2-0 win that Rymbai got over Denkarong. Only 2-0 but was quite convincing. Rymbai's set piece ability. Another long ball to no avail. There was a lovely delivery from over there, Bare. And there he is again, plays it backwards. Cleared by Slandanong 2. Slowly getting into the groove, both the teams. Half chances on either side. Lathong should have taken the shot first time perhaps. And then a good bit of defending to make sure that Niaw Wasa don't fall behind. Very good covering there from Ronald Shilla, who was the standout defender in the first game for Niaw Wasa. If not for him, it could have been a bit of possessional play from Niaw Wasa. This is much better from them. Instead of doing those long balls, that one is better. It's in the channel. That's what you don't mind. As long as it's in the channel for one of the players to chase, it still gives him a bit of a chance. But if it's just pumped up and without any real intent, then it's tough. And it's quite demotivating for the people who are chasing it as well, if you ask me. Another long ball played for Rymbai this time. Well held on to by Lingdo. Looking for a cross, plays it backwards. Shilla plays it backwards. A lot more comfortable on the ball now are Niaw Wasa. Safe to say that they are in control of the game right now, creating a few chances, holding on to possession, not panicking when they have the ball. But Rymbai can strike any time. And here they are again with a chance down the right. That's a bit of a push. You've got to be careful in the box. And Hesmiki didn't go down, otherwise could have been a bit of a problem. Here they come again. Flaked shot, still a chance. And that's a foul given by the ref. Not sure if there was too much in it, but Emoroy goes down and he's won a free kick in a good position. The patient build up again from Niaw Wasa, looking for the right time to pounce. Rymbai don't mind, they're holding their shape. They still haven't conceded a proper chance after that Sandeep shot, but here's a chance. Lathong puts it back in. Shot from distance is blocked. Salahe, and it's flicked wide and will be nothing but a goal kick. It is a big chance again. Pass inwards, slightly backwards, and I think, oh my goodness, it's been put away. It's been put over the top, and that been a well fought first half. Good chances at both ends, especially for Niaw Wasa. And now they have another chance again. This could be the one they were waiting for. Sandeep makes it 1-0. And for all the pressure that Niaw Wasa have created in the first half, they finally get things right. And it was Sandeep who missed the first opportunity 20 odd minutes ago, who capitalizes and makes this one count. No chance for Christopher Lingdo from close quarters. Nice ball from Puju to set up Sandeep on his preferred left foot. An achievement. Such are the circumstances with the yellow card being shown to Salahe and Rymbai, who have been outplayed so far today, have a big chance to overturn this 1-goal deficit and turn it into a 2-1 lead perhaps. But they're still not being able to do so. They're like a different team in this game as compared to the first one. Lovely touch taken down and it's hit the crossbar. What a goal that would have been. The rebound is missed and Niaw Wasa could have had two on either side of the halftime break. What a goal that would have been. We saw an absolute cracker yesterday from Buam for Rymbai United, but this could have been even better. Just one day later. Lovely takedown and shot from the left boot of, I think it was Puju. We'll have to check the replay to see, but it was so quick that you couldn't even pick up the player. Forget about the ball. Lathong loses possession, but Niaw Wasa mean business. They don't want to take it into the end of the game. They want to finish it off now. They want to take a 2-goal lead as soon as they can. Ball played long now into the channel. Once again, it is Puju who's been really good. Almost sets it up for Sandeep. These two working well together. And Rymbai stopped them in their tracks. And it was Puju who let fly with his left foot. And ever since he's come on, he has been a treat to watch. The number 6. Lots of defensive duty for Rymbai in the start of this second half. Short corner from Niaw Wasa. The clock ran out. And now this is a chance. And this could be the second goal. And out of nowhere, Niaw Wasa have doubled their lead. Out of nowhere is an understatement. But let me tell you something. Suklen has deserved this goal because he has had a standout performance in this game. And Dangshan Suklen fittingly gets the second goal for Niaw Wasa and smashes it long this time. Not too far though. Here's Bare. Puts the ball in. Dan needs to come for it. Doesn't clear it too far. Rymbai will keep coming. And that all stemmed from Dimitri Dan not clearing the ball. That's why I said he's got to. Niaw Wasa 1. They've had chance after chance, haven't taken them, and deserve to be on the losing end. 7 minutes have been played, and finally, Niaw Wasa have done it. With a man down, they've gone 2 goals up and 3 points into the bank against the